Hello and welcome to another video. Today's our topic about how to pop up a video like this. It is actually a YouTube video. Okay, so how I do this? Let's get in. I take a three-column row. Here I add a text module. In the text module, I add my HTML code here. Always put the code and the text here, not in visual. Okay, here is the uh, video link and here is the icon link. The icon is this one icon. Okay, so I want to design it a little bit. Go to background image, and background image I want to add a image. The okay, I take this image. Okay, and go to background image blend, select overlay and go to colors, add white color. Okay, then go to design, go to spacing, and from top to bottom padding I add 90 pixel. That will be okay. Okay, and text, for the text only I need it a center alignment. Okay, the icon is on the center. You can uh, adjust the width and height of the icon from here. I will add all the code in the description. So here is done. The main part of the pop-up is I am going to add some jQuery function. So go to Divi and the dashboard. You can go to the theme option, and the theme option here is the integration, and the integration there is a head part of the code. I want to add here some code, some JavaScript function. So here is the pop-up function. Okay, put it here and save it. Okay, it's done. Now save it also and exit the visual builder. Now you see the pop-up, the video pop-up. Okay, thank you, and please like and subscribe our channel for more videos.